What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Mi 9T Pro. Now, this is also known as the Redmi K20 Pro, and I have a new case here from Ringke. I actually picked this up off of Amazon. It's about $9.99 if you guys want to pick it up, if you guys check it out here. And they have some different colors from Amazon or from Ringke that you can pick up. They got the black, that's the one I have. And then you have, what's that one there? The camel black, which is very popular, the ruby red. And then you have that space blue. So if you want to check that out, sorry about the focus. But those are, they're $9.99, so that's not bad. Now, Ringke makes some really good cases. So if you want to check them out, please do so. Now, this has a beautiful body on it, so you do want to protect it. Now, Xiaomi gives a case in the box for the Mi 9T Pro. In here, so you do get a case, but look, it's nice to have some different options. Now, this has that beautiful glass back. Let me wipe this down for the fingerprint police. And so you want to make sure you have it protected so that you have no issues when fingerprint on deck. Check out the contacts. You want to make some calls. But let's go ahead and slap this in here, because Ringke makes some good cases, and this Fusion X is pretty good. So let's go ahead and take this out so we can check it out. They got some great packaging here from Ringke. You want to check them out, you can. But yeah, this has that nice, strong, durable, and then it has the clear back there. Great opening for the triple camera. You got your headphone jack, and also for your pop-up camera. Now, it has the enclosed part here, so you don't have to worry about you know, not being protected. Then you have for your Type-C and your speaker there, so you have everything pretty much on deck. I'm gonna rip this off. I'm not gonna do that on camera, so let's check it out. All right, so I took the plastic film off of this bad boy here, so let's check this out. Slap it in here to our Mi 9T Pro, the K20 Pro. Now, this has that nice triple camera on the back, so you want to protect it. I love that red accent button, that's really hot. I'm running the Poco launcher on this, which I really like. Also, just a wallpaper from the theme store from MIUI, so you can check that out. But you got your headphone deck on there. Headphone deck. You got your headphone jack on deck. Ooh, yeah, I do like this. This is a nice look. This is clean, crispy. You still get the MIUI or Mi logo there from Xiaomi. No, but this is, let me tell you, it's a lot more protected than this case here. This case is not bad though, because it comes with the phone, so you get a freebie there. I got to give Xiaomi A+ on that for the Mi 9T Pro. That is really, really cool. But this is a good look. I like the protection for this. And then you got your triple camera opening here, which is real nice because you do get some lip protection, so you can lay it down on the pavement and you're good to go, so you don't have to worry about that. And then on the corners, you get that reinforced protection there, so that's really good, so that you guys can get that done. And then look there, I mean, this really got some really great protection on all four corners. Now, as far as the lip protection, I can see it's pretty good actually, because it does wrap around the glass there. So if you do lay it down on a desk or anything like that, you're not really going to hit your glass. This is a pretty protective pretty protective case. I really do think this is a winner. Now, you got your opening there for your headphone jack and also for your camera. So let's try the camera so you guys can get a feel of what we got going on. Ooh, Mi 9T Pro right there. But I want to see the pop-up camera. Oh, so you got no issues there as far as going in and out. Oh, yeah. That's nice, huh? You like it? Yeah. All right, don't get too excited. Don't get too excited. The camera, you know, camera's gonna do its thing. It's gonna do its thing. But it goes in and out real easy. And yeah, And then here on, you got your Type-C, you got your speaker opening there. Now the buttons, let's check those out. Oh yeah, real smooth. You got no issues with the button. Real flush. Not a problem for the on and off button. But yeah, and then this has got some great drop protection on it. So, but yeah, this is the Ringke Fusion X case. It comes in 4 colors. If you want to check it out, you can get the camo black, the regular black, the red, and the blue. But man, $9.99, you can't beat that from Ringke. They really did a good job with this case. It comes for a lot of phones. This is a very popular case because it's very affordable, but it's good and durable. Not like some other manufacturers where they're really expensive for basically the same case. But yeah, check this out. I'll leave some links down in the description so you guys can pick this up. This is the the Ringke Fusion X case in black for the Mi 9T Pro or the Redmi K20 Pro. That's gonna do it, man. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, man. Be part of the party, people. I'll check you guys later. Peace.